Welcome to DNS Ranch. We're cleaning out the chicken coop today, so we thought we'd bring you along with us. Hope you enjoy. As you can see, we've got a wheelbarrow out here that we're putting all of the discarded shavings. Snow shovels could be used for scooping up chicken manure. Alright, we're gonna take this stuff out and dump it. Of the coop, and now we're going to put down some coop and compost. This should just help calm down the odors. It says it will help with the ammonia in their pee, so we're going to sprinkle some of this down and then we'll put some bedding on. We've been using pine shavings the last few times that we've done this, so fingers crossed. This is our first time using this, so I'm hopeful that this will help kind of eliminate some of the stinkiness from the chickens. Although they are not as bad as the ducks. That is for sure. So we'll try this out. Now we'll put down some of the pine shavings. Thank you so much for watching our video. That was pretty much the end of cleaning out the coop. I had the camera up in a tree, and as you can tell, the wind started blowing and it just kind of messed up the rest of the video. Now in the video you saw me taking the manure and cedar chips, or pine chips, out very quickly and dumping them along a fence line. We have since stopped doing that. We decided that we were going to use those for our garden, so now going after the winter, because we won't be cleaning out the coops during the winter time, we'll be taking them and putting them on the garden. And then if you need Close up here is the odor neutralizer that we used in there, just so you can see what that is. Also, we have 3 goats. Sorry for saying so much, but we have 3 goats. Finnigan did the again. We have 3 goats. Finnigan broke his leg about a week and a half ago, and today we just got him back. We now have a 3-legged goat. So that has been posted on our Facebook page. That's DNS Ranch on Facebook. I will try to figure out how to get the link on our profile here for the channel. But just wanted to give you an update on that. He's here. He's doing okay. We'll keep posting videos and update on him as we go along. But just want to say thank you for stopping by and spending some time with us. We enjoyed you coming along on our journey with cleaning out the chicken coop and all that glamorousness that is cleaning up chicken poop. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again.